How to clear cache on your phone and browser, a complete guide. Clearing cache can regularly help improve the performance of your devices and fix certain issues related to browsing or app usage. Clearing cache regularly can significantly enhance the performance of your devices and resolve various issues related to browsing or app usage. It's a simple yet effective maintenance task that can optimize your digital experience. By clearing cache, you can free up storage space, address low performance, resolve web page errors, and ensure that you're viewing the most updated content on websites and apps. Here's a simple guide on how to clear cache on different web browsers and mobile phones to keep your devices running smoothly. On Google Chrome, first open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Now select More Tools, then go to Clear Browsing Data. Next, choose the time range, for example, last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Now check the box next to Cached Images and Files. Now select Clear Data. On Mozilla Firefox, first open Firefox and click on the menu button, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now select Options. Now go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. Now click on Clear Data. Check the box next to Cached Web Content. Now click Clear. For Microsoft Edge, first open Edge and click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Now select Settings. Go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Here, under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear. Next, check the box next to Cache Images and Files. Now click on Clear Now. On an Android phone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Now find and select the app you want to clear the cache for. Tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. For iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage or iPad Storage. Here you can select the app you want to clear the cache for. Tap Offload App to free up space or Delete App to remove the app and its data, including cache.